you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. So I hope that you like my today's video, because this is a last chapter, means the first unit, last chapter, peer profile. So now we are going to learning a fifth standard English unit 1, last chapter, peer profile. So what is a peer profile? Means what is a peer profile? Peer profile means telling some personal information to our friends. Means in fact that telling some personal information. That, see guys, are you seeing that here is a chart? Are you seeing? Yes, here is a chart. Okay. Then first look at this. At the top of the book you are seeing one line. First I read that line and tell you some explanation. Okay. Peer profile. I tell you a meaning of what is a peer profile. Peer profile means telling some personal information. Telling some personal information to our friends, to our relatives. Okay. Your neighborhoods, that they are the new in your area or in your school. Like that. Look, that means what? That here is a means first I can read the first line of that is the top of our book, textbook. So get 10 of your friends to fill in this seat for you. Means get 10 of to your friends means create a seat like that. Create a fun seat and give up to your 10 friends and tell them to fill it. Now look at this. What you are writing in this book? Name. First your means my name. And my name means what is your name? Your perfectly means तुमचं नाव काय आहे? Like that type. Then at home they call me means at home they call me means आपण काय करणार आहोत? आपण दुसऱ्याला आपलं हे देणार आहोत ना, हे बलून शीट्स. मग ते होम म्हणजे त्यांच्या घरचे त्यांना काय बोलतात किंवा आवाज देतात. म्हणजे आता सपोज जर आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये कसं असतं की स्कूलमध्ये आपल्याला आपल्या प्रॉपर नेमने टीचर वर्ड से दॅट ईशा कम हियर अँड at home that our mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, cousin, that say that issue like that, ishe like that. Okay. Then my friends call me means what is your friend called to you? Means like my friends calling to me ishe like that. And some of the things I enjoy means some things that I enjoyed means मला करायला आवडतं like that type. Some of things I appreciate. Appreciate means a participation or a participation in that or something that is I have good in what? It's a good handwriting or in the music like that. Okay. Something of the things I fear. Fear means I am like that. Something I fear. Fear means is the घाबरणे. जसं बोलतात ना तसं ते घाबरणे. Something like that I fear. So next something of some of the things I hate to do means I hate to do like doing housework. I hate. I am not the you hate something different. I hate to doing means homework or housework. Homework means not that schools. Homework means housework. In fact, housework. Some of things I will never do means that means I will never do. मी ते कधीच करणार नाही असं. Some of my good habits. My good habits are brushing my teeth 2 times. That my good habits. Or in expert in study. Or my bad habit is eating our nails. My bad habits हैं. मैं जब भी ऐसे बैठती हूँ ना किधर भी तो मैं ऐसे nails खाते my bad habit and your bad habit is different. So, my favorite personality. Here is my favorite personality, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And why I like it? Because he's a good captain or wicket keeper. Okay. You understand that. And the last, there's the one, a signature. Like, see here. Here you can say that a signature. Please turn your page, and then what we are saying that here is a few tips about after finishing. That look at here. Here is some tips. Okay. Here is some tips. Okay. Then I am reading that tips, and also telling you a meaning that tips. What is the tips are given? Why the tips are given in this textbook. Okay. So after you have collected the filled in the sheets from your friends, go through all of them and make a notes for each of the points. Use the notes to write a report about your friends' likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personality, etc. You can present your report orally or in a writing. Means after collecting that we give sheets. मीन्स हमने क्या किया था, आपण काय केलं होतं की अशा शीट्स बनवले ना, त्याचं नाव तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं बघा. हां, ते जे शीट्स we give that sheets to our 10 friends, distribute with that sheets to our 10 friends, and when our friends have to fill up that sheets, when we take it back, and after we have collected the filled sheets from our friends, then what to do? That here you can make a note. First you can make a note and write it like a report, and use the notes to write a report like what is our friends' likes, dislikes, habits, a favorite personality, etc. And you can present this report orally, yeah, also in a written. Okay. After, see what is giving here. Remember the following things when you make a written oral presentation. When we are written or oral presentation we are making, then remember the following tips that in this para that is telling here. Okay, and there are the 5 tips that you helps to making when you making a report. Okay. You need not mention the names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the representations given by many people. Means what is here? You not need to mention your friend's name in your presentation. You only give one summary like that. What is the meaning of a summary? I am telling to you in a short. What is a summary? See, when we take a history and we learn a history first chapter, like a 7th first chapter is the sources of history. We learn that chapter and we want to, and our teacher was giving you a summary. Our teacher is giving to you, or a ma'am giving to you a summary. Then what a ma'am tells that summary means उस पूरे लेसन में म्हणजे त्या पूर्ण लेसन मध्ये काय काय आहे ते इन शॉर्ट सांगणे. That's what is the telling in a whole lesson that we tell to others in short. It means by a summary. Okay. Then what is the next point tells us? Your presentation should clearly show what many or most people enjoy, appreciate, fears, etc. and what only some of them mention and what only 1 or 2 mention. Means your presentation is clearly show to people that how our friends have the enjoyment, appreciation, fears, etc. or what only some of them mention. आणि त्यातले किती जण ते मेन्शन केले, किती जण ते नाही मेन्शन केले, हे आपण बघू शकतो आपल्या प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये. पुढे काय दिले बघूया. इफ नेसेसरी यू मे अ पॉइंट ऑफ what is not mentioned by any of the people. For example, you may say it appears that nobody is afraid for examinations as no one has included them in things they fear. This is the main and a laughing point in this chapter. Means what is it? आपण असं पण बोलू शकतो की we also talk with them what in our presentation that कि nobody write in fear I afraid for examinations, nobody, or I not afraid for examination, nobody writes. Okay, are you understanding these words? Please comment me. Okay, next point. You should also mention what you found most interesting in the responses at the end of your presentation. When a presentation is ending, you also tell that what is the interesting part you find from that sheets. That sheets we are collected to our friends and they fill up, and then back we collect them. Then what the next point is saying, look, you must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feeling. When you do not hurt, please underline that you do not hurt anyone's feeling when you get the sheets filled or when you make your presentation. Means when you making your presentation, that you can take care that nobody was hurted in your presentation. मीन्स कोणी पण हर्ट झालं नाही पाहिजे की तुमच्या पेरेंटचे कोणाची पण फिलिंग्स हर्ट नाही झाल्या पाहिजेत इथं असं सांगितलेलं आहे हां तर आय होप that you understand my this video or this what's the peer profile, this chapter you understand, I hope. Then also I can take a short summary. Okay, please open the page number 19. Okay, here is First we want to make a 10 sheets. That in that sheets write my name, at home they call, or whatever in the 19 page they are written, and fill up them to your friends. And after you distribute sheets to your friends, you tell them to fill up it, and after they fill up it, you tell them to please give me that sheets. When they give you to that sheets, you can make a notes, like take a main points and make a report, and your report should be your report about your friend, like they what likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personality, or etc., and what they fear, etc. And your presentation will be also in orally or also in a written. Okay, and there are the 5 tips I am telling to you that when you making a presentation, that you remember it. Okay, first is you not need a mention your friend's name in the presentation. Means it is not necessary to mention your friend's name in your presentation. म्हणजे हे जरुरीच आहे असं नाही की तुमच्या मित्रांचं हे नाव आहे ना ते प्रेझेंटेशनवर लिहिणं असं जरुरी नाही आहे. आणि आपण फक्त एक छोटीशी समरी द्यायची असते तिला. नंतर जेव्हा आपण प्रेझेंटेशन आपलं असं क्लिअरली असायला पाहिजे. मीन्स अवर प्रेझेंटेशन शुड बी क्लिअर, शो द मेनी पीपल्स और मोस्ट पीपल्स आर बी लाइक दैट they enjoy, appreciate, and do not fear. Okay, or only some of them mention or only some of them not mention. म्हणजे असं किती जणांनी मेन्शन केलेलं असं किती जणांनी नाही मेन्शन ते पण बघायला पाहिजे आपल्याला. आणि इट इज अ नेसेसरी यू दिस इज द मेन अँड लाफिंग पॉइंट आय ऑल्सो टेल यू बॅक. ओके, means you also means if necessary you may point out what is not mentioned by any of the people. म्हणजे असं नाही की तुम्ही एक म्हणजे क्लिक पण होऊ शकते, तुम्हाला क्लिक पण होऊ शकते की afraid means nobody wrote in fear that I am not afraid for examination or I am afraid for examination. That the next point is what do you find interesting in the shifts that you give to your friends and they fill up and get you back? Means what you find the interesting point, you also tell it in the end of your presentation. And first and the last and the main point is, you may take care that no people or no friends are hurted anyone's feeling in your presentation. Okay, our lesson is complete over. Our fifth standard English Unit 1 is completely. From tomorrow we are starting the Unit 2. So you also tell your friends that her YouTube channel is very nice. She was telling, if you like, then if tell your friends or your relatives, and please tell your main thing that please like, share and subscribe. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So and subscribe करताना बेल आयकॉन वर क्लिक करायला अजिबात विसरू नका. So please click on the bell icon. And what I hope that you understand my video. So if you understand my video, please tell me in a comment box how was my today's video. So we will back in a next video. So तोपर्यंत bye bye.